Do you dream of making money online, showcasing your skills to a global audience, and being your own boss? Well, Fiverr might just be the platform you've been searching for. In this video, we'll unveil the secrets to success on Fiverr, guiding you through each step of the journey. From identifying your niche to delivering high-quality work, we've got you covered. So, if you're ready to turn your skills into a lucrative freelance career, keep watching. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Identify your skills and niche. To embark on your Fiverr journey, start by identifying your unique set of skills and a niche that resonates with you. Consider what you excel at and what you're passionate about. Your niche is your playground, where you'll showcase your expertise and stand out among the crowd. Whether it's graphic design, copywriting, programming, or voiceover work, knowing your strengths will set the foundation for your success on Fiverr. So take some time to introspect, explore your talents, and discover the niche that best aligns with your skills and interests. Number 2. Market research. Once you've pinpointed your niche, dive into the world of market research on Fiverr. Explore similar gigs and successful sellers within your chosen niche. Pay attention to their gig descriptions, pricing strategies, and customer reviews. By studying the competition, you'll gain valuable insights into what works and what doesn't in your niche. Analyze the demand for your services, identify gaps in the market, and tailor your offerings to meet the needs of potential clients. Market research is the compass that guides your journey on Fiverr, helping you carve out your unique place in the freelance landscape. Number 3. Create a Fiverr account. Ready to kickstart your Fiverr journey? Setting up your account is a breeze. Simply head to the Fiverr website or download the app and hit the sign up button. You can use your email address or connect via your Google or Facebook account for quick access. Once you've filled in your details, it's time to craft your profile. Your Fiverr account is your digital storefront, so make it shine. Choose a catchy username, upload a professional profile picture, and fill out your profile with relevant information about your skills and expertise. With your account set up, you're one step closer to unleashing your freelance potential on Fiverr. Number 4. Build a strong profile. Your Fiverr profile is your digital business card, so it's essential to make a lasting impression. Start by selecting a professional profile picture that reflects your personality and expertise. Craft a captivating profile description that highlights your skills, experience, and the services you offer. Don't forget to include any relevant certifications or qualifications to boost your credibility. Showcase your previous work through an engaging portfolio, giving potential clients a glimpse into your capabilities. Remember, your profile is your first chance to impress clients, so invest time in making it stand out. A strong profile sets the stage for success on Fiverr. Number 5. Create your first gig. Now it's time to turn your skills into a valuable offering by creating your first gig on Fiverr. Navigate to your seller dashboard and click on Create a New Gig. Begin by crafting a compelling gig title that accurately represents your service. Choose the appropriate category and subcategory to ensure your gig reaches the right audience. Write a detailed gig description outlining what you offer, your process, and the benefits for potential clients. Set a competitive price for your service and add relevant tags to improve visibility. Finally, upload images or videos showcasing your work to entice buyers. With your first gig created, you're ready to start attracting clients on Fiverr. Number 6. Optimize your gig. Optimizing your gig is crucial for maximizing your visibility and attracting potential clients on Fiverr. Regularly review and update your gig description to keep it fresh and relevant. Consider incorporating keywords and phrases that potential buyers are likely to search for. Update your portfolio with new samples of your work to showcase your skills and expertise. Experiment with different pricing strategies to find the sweet spot that attracts clients while ensuring you're fairly compensated. Respond promptly to inquiries and messages from potential clients to demonstrate your professionalism and reliability. By continually optimizing your gig, you'll improve your chances of standing out in a competitive marketplace and securing more orders on Fiverr. Number 7. Promote your Fiverr gig. Promotion is key to gaining visibility and attracting clients to your Fiverr gig. Start by sharing your gig on your social media platforms, reaching out to your network, and leveraging relevant online communities and forums. Consider creating a personal website or blog to showcase your services and direct traffic to your Fiverr profile. Engage in conversations related to your niche and offer valuable insights to position yourself as an expert. Additionally, explore paid advertising options within Fiverr to boost your gig's visibility. By actively promoting your gig, you'll increase your chances of reaching potential clients and growing your freelance business on Fiverr. Number 8. Deliver high-quality work. Consistently delivering high-quality work is paramount to your success on Fiverr. Ensure that you understand your client's requirements fully and strive to exceed their expectations with each delivery. Pay attention to detail, meet deadlines, and maintain open communication throughout the process. Address any feedback or revisions promptly and professionally to ensure client satisfaction. Your reputation on Fiverr relies heavily on the quality of your work, so prioritize excellence in every project you undertake. By consistently delivering top-notch results, you'll earn positive reviews, build trust with clients, and pave the way for long-term success on the platform. Number 9. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is the cornerstone of a successful freelance career on Fiverr. Keep the lines of communication open with your clients, responding promptly to messages and inquiries. Listen attentively to their needs and preferences, asking clarifying questions if necessary. Be transparent about your process, timeline, and any potential challenges. Provide regular updates on the progress of their project and be proactive in addressing any concerns they may have. By fostering clear and open communication, you'll build trust with your clients and ensure a positive working relationship that leads to repeat business and referrals on Fiverr. Number 10. Scale your Fiverr business. Once you've established yourself on Fiverr, it's time to think about scaling your freelance business. Start by gradually increasing your prices as you gain experience and positive reviews, ensuring that you're fairly compensated for your expertise. Consider expanding your range of services to attract a broader client base and cater to diverse needs within your niche. You may also explore opportunities to collaborate with other freelancers or subcontract work to meet growing demand. Additionally, invest in self-improvement and skill development to stay ahead of the curve and offer added value to your clients. By strategically scaling your Fiverr business, you can unlock new opportunities for growth and take your freelance career to new heights. Making money on Fiverr is not just a dream, it's a reality for thousands of freelancers around the world. By following the steps outlined in this video, you too can turn your skills into a thriving freelance business. So what are you waiting for? Start your Fiverr journey today and unlock your full potential as a freelancer. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy freelancing.